You can get these tubs from Poundland and you get 2 for £1. I just need to drill a big hole in the centre. Almost finished. Bit of lettuce. So we've just made this really cheaply, and it's going to be a strawberry tower. And it didn't cost a lot to make. And we just started it off with a bit of lettuce in bottom. So we've made a start. 2 of these for £1 from Poundland. Basically just knocked that bar into the ground, but obviously you can use a broom handle or something like that. Drill a hole in the bottom and then stack them up, and then we can go corner to corner with strawberry plants or lettuce or other small vegetables. So that's the first thing added to his container garden. Thank you very much for watching, I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you again soon.